Welcome back to day 6 notes. We're still on the matching activity and we're going to start back with number 6, or graph number 6. You see for graph number 6, we start right here at the value of 5. So my start value or my A value is 5. And I'm looking for a B value that's greater than 1 again because I have an exponential growth. So if we go back and look at our situations, situation J matches that criteria. My A value is 5 and my B value is greater than 1. So for graph number 6, we will use situation J. For graph number 7, notice that we have an exponential decay because my graph is going down. My start value is 4, so my A value is 4. And my B value is less than 1 because it's a decay. If I go back and look at my situations, situation D matches this criteria because my A value is 4 and my B value is less than 1. For graph number 8, we have a linear function where my y-intercept or my b value is 3 and my slope is 3. Ooh, sorry. My slope is actually going to be 4. So I'm looking for an equation that is y equals 4x plus 3. That matches situation E. Now we have two more graphs, graph number 9 and number 10, and both of these are linear. My B value for graph number 9 is 4, and my slope is 3. So I'm looking for an equation that is y equals 3x plus 4. Situation G doesn't work. Situation A does. Y equals 3x plus 4. And last but not least, graph number 10 starts at my B value of 1/2 and has a slope of 1, 2, 3. Let's try this again. Let's start at a pretty point. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. So my slope is 4, which will give me the equation y equals 4x plus 1/2. And that matches situation G. So quick rundown. Graph 1 goes with situation I. Graph 2, situation H. Graph 3 is B. Graph 4 is F. 5 is C. 6 is J. 7 is D. 8 is E. 9 is A. And 10 is G. And that is all for day 6 notes.